Hey everybody, real quick before we get going, these chairs are the ones that inspired the Adirondack cooler bench. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link down below, or I'll put one of them cards up in the corner, and you can check that out after this video. If you're interested, I have plans for these chairs, that bench, a little side table, and a footrest all over on my website. You can head over there and check that out. That link will also be in the description below. So that's it. Enjoy the video. Thanks. So sorry for the abrupt end to the video. I had some issues with the footage and I couldn't redo any of it because the chairs are already gone. All you missed was a little sanding and some beauty shots, so I guess it's not that big of a deal. I just wanted to touch real quick on the plans that are on my website. All of the furniture in those plans uses the same boards and the same screws. I use the 5/4 by 6 treated deck boards and the 1 5/8 deck screws for everything in those plans. You can get all of that at the big box store, any of the big box stores really, just to make things simple when you're shopping for supplies. You can substitute any wood that you want or any screws as long as all your dimensions are similar to what I have in the plans. If you want it to be more budget friendly, you can go with just regular pine. If you want to spend a little more, have a little nicer of a chair, you can go with the cedar or oak or something. I like using the pressure treated pine simply because of the price versus the longevity. The people that I sell them to seem to like that. Mine I've had out in the yard for years and they're holding up well. I will also put a link to my Instagram down below and you can follow me there. I post a lot more on Instagram than I do here. Again, I really appreciate everybody watching the videos and checking out the websites. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got some more ideas for some videos coming up, so you don't want to miss it. All right, thanks.